Hello friends, welcome to Trending Tube. I hope you all are doing great. Too much laundry but not enough room to dry it. We have got a space saving solution just for you. Meet the Sleep Hang Dryer, a foldable hanging dryer with 24 durable cloth pegs that helps you dry more in less space. Here is the packaging of this product, and in this box you will find a hanger frame and 24 cloth pegs and the assembly instruction. Everything you need to get started with. Some of the key features of these hang dryers is it's perfect for small laundry items like socks, underwear and washcloths, whether it is indoor or out. The hook rotates 360 degrees for easy hanging anywhere, windows, shower rods or balconies. And once you are done, you just fold it flat and store it away with zero hassle. Comes to the measurement, it is compact and efficient. It comes with a height of 15 cm, length and width of 36 cm. The pegs are spaced to maximize air circulation, ensuring faster drying. However, you can use the pegs separately. And if any one goes missing, just replace it with new sleep pegs. And the removing of the pegs is super easy. When it comes to materials and durability, the product is built to last. The UV protected plastic makes it great for both indoor and outdoor use. Made from high quality eco-conscious materials, the clamp and the frame are made up of polypropylene plastic. When it comes to the carrying, it is easy to care for. Just wipe clean with a dry cloth. And all this is just for rupees 399 in INR. That's only about 4.79 in USD. Let me know in the comment section whether you are going to grab this product and get it to your home. I hope you like this video. Do like, comment and subscribe to get notification and watch more video like this. See you in the next video. Till then, thank you. Bye.